Proper maintenance is crucial for QX60 reliability. Following an aggressive maintenance schedule can prevent many common problems and extend your vehicle's lifespan. Here are the critical maintenance intervals. Engine oil should be changed every 5,000 miles with synthetic oil. CVT fluid changes every 30,000 miles are essential, much more frequent than the manufacturer's recommendation. CVT transmission maintenance is critical. The continuously variable transmission requires specific fluid changes every 30,000 miles using only Nissan NS3 CVT fluid. Watch for signs of trouble like shuddering, whining noises, or overheating warnings. Timing chain problems are common in 2013 to 2015 models. Have the timing chain inspected every 60,000 miles and listen for rattling noises on startup. Early detection can prevent expensive engine damage. Monitor these warning signs closely. For the transmission, watch for jerking, shuddering, whining noises, or sudden loss of power. For the engine, listen for rattling on startup, rough idling, or check engine lights. When buying a used QX60, avoid 2013 to 2019 models due to CVT reliability issues. Consider 2022 and newer models with the updated 9-speed automatic transmission. Always get a comprehensive pre-purchase inspection and budget for higher maintenance costs on older models. Documentation is crucial for warranty claims and resale value. Keep detailed maintenance records, save all receipts, and check if your vehicle qualifies for Infiniti's extended warranties or goodwill programs, especially for CVT transmission issues. Remember, proactive maintenance is your best defense against QX60 problems. Follow the aggressive schedule, monitor warning signs, and keep detailed records to protect your investment.